The Antichrist will seek people to worship him instead of Jesus. So you must know today who Jesus is and worship him, because the spirit of Antichrist is already at work, brother and sister. He's coming and he wants worship, so you must know who Jesus is and you must worship him. The spirit of Antichrist already at work in the world, where the world wants to get you to worship all kinds of other things. Some of the music we listen to, love songs. People are worshiping their boyfriend or girlfriend. Yes, my alles, my alles. Listen, only God should be your alles. If you sing that of your boyfriend or girlfriend, your world's going to fall apart. Don't worship anyone else but Jesus. And see, in the Bible tells us exactly who Jesus is. John 1:1 is the Word that became, He's the Word that was with God and the Word that is God. And He became flesh and dwelled among us. He's the incarnate God, and that is why we worship Him. That's why the angels worship Him. The Bible tells us, because He's God. Hebrews 1:6 and Psalm 97:7. Isaiah 7:14 says He's Emmanuel, God with us. Isaiah 9:6, He is called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace. And so to understand that though Christ was born a man, He's more than a man, He's the God-man. And in Revelation 5:13, you find out all of creation, in heaven, on earth, everywhere is worshiping the Father and the Son co-equally. And so, as spirit of Antichrist already at work, where the world and Satan wants you to worship something or someone other than Christ. Even today, be aware of that spirit and make sure you know who Jesus is. He is mighty God. He is everlasting Father. He is Emmanuel, and you worship Him. No one else. And even this morning, if you find something in your heart more important, if there's something other than Christ of whom you say, yes, my alles, you say, Lord, forgive me. Forgive me. I'm building you on sand. Christ and Him alone is that rock that will stay firm when the floods of life come and the floods of judgment.